It's the Fishes Day. I'm out here riding with the Action 3. Shouldn't I be filming with the Sony ZV-1F? Oh man, nah, I like the Action 3 better than the 1F for vlogging for the reason of less work. A lot less work, man. But anyway, gotta get into this forest here. DJI, you started up. Gotta find this tree. Well, let's go some mountain bike riding single-handedly. Can I get up this hill? Woohoo, baby! That is a nice sun. Look how beautiful that is. How beautiful is it? Should I take my other camera out to get a shot? Oh man, that is gorgeous. Now if I put this into Catalyst browser, I'll have my DJI up and running before Catalyst browser even finishes. What I got on my camera that I did that's happening all over again. Thanks, North America. Thanks for all the smoke that you sent us. Oh man, look at that sky. It's just gotta disappear sooner or later. I felt like Santa Claus yesterday. Man, oh man, did I feel good. I'm gonna be doing some, gotta get this done today. Not really, I gotta get it done when I feel like it. But I'll get it done the right way, for the right people. Whoa, the pothole, man, as I'm turning the camera around. Indian sun, that's what an Indian sun looks like. I got gear, I'm gonna be happy with my gear. I'm just waiting another couple of days so I could get some to get gear, and I'll be all set with gear. I gotta get back in. I'm gonna pick a much different spot, man. Oh man, where's this path go? Gotta go somewhere. Maybe a lot better than the one I had before. Man, you're still on like 14 minutes and change later. I did my job, got it done. Still gotta do one more scene. Off I go out of this wilderness of Bugville. There's no such thing as f-stop. Yeah, I'm not talking about cameras. People know what I'm talking about. Man, you just do the right, you do the stop, you do the go. Not a GoPro thing. Just a thing to do, man. That's what everybody does. What are you gonna do about it? Nothing you could do. Just look around. That's all I can say. Don't get hit by the tree. I had a good time. I didn't have a bad time. But sometimes you have a bad time. Sometimes you can't have a good time. Well, DJI, you're not going to ruin my time, are you? Is it better in the cold or is it better in the heat? Is it sunny? Is it cloudy? Is it foggy? Or is it smoky? It's that time again, and it's that time again. I got to go pick some bagels up. But I taste something different. Anyways, I polished up a good review. It's the Sema X440. Oh man, that drone is something. It flies like it's a drone. It's very responsive, and it goes. It's not super fast, it's not super slow, but the lights, they could be on the bottom, so we can really see what we're flying. But if it's on the bottom, I understand it may be distracting with your visual. The light effects is a little hard to see. They're on the top of the drone, and when you're up in the air and you're looking up at it, you're not going to really notice it because you have to be down above it. You know what I mean, above, looking down at it. And I did a shot with the boomstick, man. I got it all the way up there 20 feet and you were looking at it. It was nice. Can you see the sun? It looks like fog to you, right? Now that sun you wouldn't be able to look at. It would be so bright right now you couldn't see. That's how bad it is. Yesterday was a lot worse than today. And it's going to clear up. Maybe there'll be a change. And this is all due to North America, Canada, and Alberta, all over. All that cold air is here. And all that smoke from the forest fire that's burning, the wildfire. And we all go out, everybody. We all do. But this is the aftermath, and it's going right down to the 13 states. It's going down from Vermont, New Hampshire, Connecticut. It's the size of Connecticut, they say, or bigger. And you have Massachusetts, New York, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, Ohio, Michigan. You have all the way down to Tennessee, Maryland, Delaware. You even have it almost down to Virginia. You got it to North Carolina. That's how far this has gone. It has gone really far, this smoke. And man, you could taste it, you could smell it, your eyes burn, and they say to wear an ND95 mask. What happens to the firemen when they go in with the ND95 mask into a fire? That's smoke. You got it, man. Not great. Standing still is not fun. So I'm going to get on out of here. I had enough talk about, wildfire. I've been in California when they had that wildfire, man. Let me tell you, I was real near Cannondale, in Anaheim. And I was right next to the county. I didn't see the smoke, but all the mountains were burning. And lucky me, I didn't see smoke or smell smoke. I just don't know where that smoke went. DJI camera, GoPro camera, I wish you the best. I can't make it do justice, make a perfect video. So off I'm gonna go to where I need to get. Remember the fog? Oh yeah, that was a picture, man. Fog 2? Yeah, it's supposed to be a sequel. But remember Return of the Living Dead, man? Yeah. How about The Walking Dead? Now, The Walking Dead didn't have any fog like this. What? No beep again? Oh man. Yeah, it's just like an apocalypse of a DJI, man. Yeah, what are you gonna say? This orange glow, man, it's gonna turn burnt orange. It's gonna get worse and worse as the day goes on. Motorcycle in the crate. Look at that bad boy. Wow. Don't let the sun go down. That's the Lost Boys, man. That's even another show, The apocalypse is coming. Look at that bad boy, like I said. Hurry up. I gotta get in. Hurry. Hurry. Well, I am Fish. I said a lot, I did a lot, I talked a lot, and I got a lot to edit on this camera, not even knowing what's on it, when it was filmed, and all that good stuff, or when it's going to get put out. So don't put the fire out. Smother it out. Get it out. You know what I mean? We all wish the best for all.